Hello, I am Deepak Fadnis. Welcome to this series of translations of the Abhanga of Saint Tukaram. Today we will translate Abhanga 528. First I will read the Abhanga in Marathi. एक मन तुझ्या अवघ्या भांडवला वाटिता ते तुला येईल कैसे म्हणूनी दृढ धरी पांडुरंग देहा लावी संग प्रारब्धाचा आणिक संकल्पा नको गोऊ मन तरीच कारण सिद्ध होय तुका म्हणे ऐसे जाणावे उचित तरी सहज स्थित येईल कळो. ट्रान्सलेशन. फर्स्ट लाइन. एक मन तुझ्या अवघ्या भांडवला वाटिता ते तुला येईल कैसे. You have only one mind, and how do you think that you can apply it to many different causes? Second line. म्हणूनी दृढ धरी पांडुरंग देहा लावी संग प्रारब्धाचा. So just keep your mind steadfast in concentrating on Lord Panduranga. Let your body be surrendered to the things which are written in your destiny. आणिका संकल्पा नको गोऊ मन तरीच कारण सिद्ध होय. Do not entangle your mind in any other goal. Only then you will be able to achieve the higher goal of life. What is that? That is God realization, self-realization. Last line. तुका म्हणे ऐसे जाणावे उचित तरी सहज स्थित येईल कळो. Tuka says, this is the right thing to know, and I would like you to understand this. If you know this in your heart, then you will understand the true nature of the state of self-realization. Nice mantra Tukaram Maharaj has given. Every Abhanga of Tukaram Maharaj is a delight to read, and as we keep reading hundreds and hundreds and thousands of Abhanga, then a new meaning starts filtering into the brain. It starts illuminating our brain. So it is good to develop habit of reading Abhanga of Abhanga Gatha again and again. Start from the first Abhanga, go up to the last, and then after that, after reading 4,500, you can start once again. That's the idea. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.